welcome back to my channel. You can hardly see my eyes because of my eyelashes, but they're there. So today's video, so this video was actually really requested by you guys, and it blew my mind that a lot of you guys wonder about this. But today's video is gonna be on my tattoos and what they mean and why I got them, and yeah, so that's what my video is gonna be about. So let's hop into it. We should go in chronological order, yeah? So my first tattoos that I ever got are these bad boys right here. Don't stare too hard because they were my first tattoos, and I got them in Ohio right after I turned 18 and got kicked out. So I was bound to do something that I was not supposed to. I was feeling really defiant, really like, let's get a tattoo. So I got a tattoo. Well, I got two tattoos. So yeah, these bad boys right here. So these are my dad's birth and death date. So this one means 7/7/1940, and this one means December 5th 2003 in Roman numerals. Okay, that was the first one. That was really easy. So the next one that came was, I think it was this bad boy right here. So yeah, that was the next one. Was this bad boy right here. That was the next one, and that one came because I was feeling like there was a lot of just evil around me at the time. So I was in the club at the time, and the people around me were just all just on some shiznits, man. To be honest, they was just always on some shiznits. Like,
oh God, please no!
I should do a story time honestly on that itself, because that place is like an alternate universe. I swear to gosh, like it's not even funny. So I just felt like there was just a lot of evil around me, and I feel like that was my way of like just blocking it out. Like, I'm not gonna see no evil, I'm not gonna speak no evil, and I'm not gonna hear no evil because there's too much of it around me right now. The next one was this bad boy, my rose. It needs to be like fixed in the center. But so that one came because I woke up one day, and it was like a couple days after I got this one, to be honest. I'm gonna be so real. And I just looked up to tattoo places and checked their reviews, checked if they were good. Walked into a tattoo place and was like, hey, can you do a rose on my elbow today? There's really no reason other than that on that one right there, because that's just teenage defiance. That's all I have for you. I was just doing the damn thing. Then it was this one, featuring Le Bump.
Squirrel!
Yeah, next came that one, and
Today, Junior?
that one was because like it's two skeleton bones, and I mean it's two skeleton hands pulling apart a wishbone, And that one actually meant the most to me whenever I got it, because I really thought about that one for a while, and like I really wanted that one, and I put it like somewhere near my heart, and it signified like my hands, because I was really just feeling dead inside at the time, just pulling apart a wishbone, like just wishing for my big break. You know what I mean? Like it was whenever I was in that hole and I hadn't quite found like God. You know how people be like, yeah, I'm a Christian, but like they don't know God. Yeah, that was me. That was me at the time, and I wasn't following God, and I was still trying to lean on my own understanding, and I was still doing reckless, wild stuff that I had no business doing. And I just kept experiencing failure after failure after failure after bad thing happening to me, and like I was just so hopeless, just feeling dead inside, wishing on my big break. That's what that one stood for. Then my last tattoo. If you guys judge me, you will be canceled, and we won't be friends. Okay? So here it is. Me and my husband got matching tattoos. It's supposed to be a Q for a queen with a heart underneath of it with a crown on top. But my tattoo artist was a little drunk. So it looks like I kind of just scribbled on it in pen. So yeah, that's my tattoos so far. Stay tuned, because after I drop this baby, I'm gonna get like a whole big portrait of like Harley Quinn somewhere. Haven't quite decided. I think I might put her right here. I'm gonna get a portrait, a realism portrait of Harley right here, because she's just so bad and I love her. But yeah, so thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys liked my tattoos and what they're about. Don't have many yet, but there will be way more to come, believe me. Might have to do a recap of this in like 2-3 years. But yeah, thanks. But if you like the video, like it, drop a comment, tell me like, yeah, Lex, you were an idiot, but I still love you. Hit that subscribe button for sure. Actually though, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, and hit the bell so you can get a notification on all the videos. But yeah, it's nice talking to you guys.